Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create your own manual wallet on the Spendee budget planning application. So let's get started right away. Now, if you wish to create your own custom wallets within the Spendee application, then in order to do so, open up the Spendee application first. You can then enter your PIN code or use your credentials to log into your account. After logging in, you will end up within the timeline page. Now, in order to create your own manual wallet, you can tap on the wallets option and then choose create new wallet, or you can tap on more at the bottom right corner and then choose manual wallets as well. Then you can tap on add new cash wallet, and then within the name section, you can enter what kind of account this is. Then enter your initial balance, which is your current balance, and then choose your currency as well. You can choose to make this wallet visible or invisible to various different categories if you wish to do so from the visible categories section. There is also the share option where you can have it as a shared wallet, which can be useful for joint accounts. After entering your general details, tap on the create new wallet option, and now this will create your custom wallet right away. After this, your new custom wallet will appear within your timeline and your wallet section as well. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to create your own custom wallet on the Spendee budget planning application. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.